our then we have a into negative 2 squared plus b into negative 2. That is the substitution for negative 2 as given for x is equal to 12. We end up having 4a minus 2b is equal to 12. We continue. Now we have our equation 2 as 2a minus b is equal to 6. So here we are going to solve these two simultaneous equations by application of substitution method. We have 2 in 2. We first say that putting a is equal to 6 minus b in equation 2. So we have our 2 into 6 minus b. That is enclosed in the brackets. Then minus b is equal to 6. Then 12. We have 12 minus 2b, then minus b is equal to 6. We get 12 minus 3b is equal to 6. We have 6 equal to 3b. Dividing both sides by 3, we have b equal to 2. Remember, we have to find a and b. So far we have b. Then we are going to substitute b is equal to 2 in equation 1. So we have a plus 2 is equal to 6. Cos b is 2, already formed. Then a is equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So we have our a equaling to 4 and our b is equaling to 2. That is number 63, all of it.
Okay.
So it was part, there is a part remaining, I think. Let me see, yeah.
Okay, this is good. This is good. You're going to make more practice. You're going to make more practice such that you gain the confidence, but so far so good. Could you give the other friend of yours also to try out and we see?
Yes.
Thank you. It is so far so good.
This one. This one.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna discuss number 31.
Now, the first thing you'll do, you'll first introduce yourself, that I am so and so from Chotia Secondary School. I'm discussing number this.
My name is Rafa Interested from Chotia Central Secondary School. I'm gonna discuss number 31. Given that A equals, I'm gonna discuss matrix. Given that A equals, open brackets, 3x, x minus 6, negative 6, x plus 2.
Can you also get that pen? The laser pointer. Okay, good. Continue.
They told me to find the values of x for which matrix A is a singular matrix. A is given as 3x negative 6, x minus 6, x plus 2. And for any singular matrix, the determinant equals to 0. Therefore, determinant A equals, determinant of A equals multiplication of major diagonals minus minor diagonals, that is 3x into brackets, x plus 2 minus negative 6 into brackets, x minus 6. We multiply 3x into the figures in brackets. That is 3x squared plus x squared plus x plus 6x. We come here, negative times negative 6, that is positive 6. And we multiply this negative positive 6 into x, that is 6x minus, and negative times negative 6, that is the positive 6, times this negative 6, that is negative 36. We divide the 3 on every digit that is by 3x squared by 12x divided by 3, that is positive 4x, minus 36 divided by 3, that is negative 12. And at this point, we have formed the quadratic equation. That is x squared plus 4x minus 12 equals 0. We get the factors for negative 12 that if we add them, we can get positive 4, and if we multiply, we can get negative 12. That is the 6 and negative 2. X squared plus, we came and substituted here, x is 6x minus 2x minus 12 equals 0. We make pairs from this equation, that is, and we factorized that, and we got x outside of the brackets, that is x into brackets x plus 6 minus 2 into brackets x plus 6 equals 0. From that one, we got x minus 2, and this common multiples were brought into 1, that is x plus 6 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 2 equals 0, all x plus 6 equals 0. We came and got the values of x, that is x minus 2 equals 0, that is x equals 2. All x plus 6 equals 0, that is x equals negative 6. Therefore, the values of x are 2 and negative 6.
Okay, so there is something you're going to go back a step here. Are you seeing where you were dividing by 3?
Yes.
Yes, you are going to add something there, maybe to say equals to 0. Otherwise, if I tell you do like this, something may not add up quickly. Yeah, because here you were showing that you divide through by 3 because 3 is the common term, is the common value, is the highest common factor. So you divide throughout. So that this side add equals to 0 to show that you are dividing throughout to come up with this expression. And also, since you said that when you get the determinant, you equate to 0, you can as well consider from the first step here, showing that the determinant will equal to 0. So you can keep on saying equals to 0, even for the first step expressions you wrote. Have you got it?
Yes.
Yes, but the working is very good. Thank you so much. Things are very fine.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Can we have another one also try? The rest of the participants, we are going to try, please. Okay, we can have another person who is going to do another number also.
Yeah, no. This one. This one. From here. This second here. Come closer.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nalag Halima from Chotila Secondary School. I'm going to discuss matrix number is number 64. Number 34. Number 34, the question is, first schools participated in a football tournament which was played in 2 rounds. The results were as given below. The first round, Nadia Secondary School won 1, drew 3, and lost 2 matches. Budo S Secondary School won 2, drew 2, and lost 2 matches. Taiba International School won 3, drew 2, and lost 1 match. Tende SS won 9, drew 2, and lost 2 matches. The second round, Nadia Secondary School won 1, drew 2, and lost 3 matches. Budo Secondary School won 2, drew 1, and lost 3 matches. Taiba International School won 2, drew 3, and lost 1 match. Tende Secondary School won 1, drew 4, and lost 1 match.
Okay. So you can use the drop on your screen to go down. Okay.
Party F. Write down a 4 by 3 matrix which shows the performance of the schools in Roman 1, each of the 2 rounds. We are going to go on the performance in the first round. In the first round, we have 4 schools that participated. We have a win, a draw, and a loss. On our column, when we go on, Nadia SS drew 1, won 1, drew 3, and lost 2. Taiba International, Budo SS won 2, drew 2, and lost 2 matches. Taiba International won 3, drew 2, and lost 1 match. Tende SS won 1, drew 2, and lost 4 matches. That is the performance in the first round. And our matrix is seen in a format of a matrix written as a 4 by 4 matrix, a 4 by 3 matrix. Since they asked us to write to show the performance of the schools in each of the 2 rounds, now we just have the performance in the first round. We go in and we find out the performance in the second round, which is going to be given as We go in the second round. Nadia, SS won 1, drew 2, lost 3. Budjo won 2, drew 1, lost 3. Taiba International won 2, drew 2, and lost 1. Kitende International, Kitende SS won 1, drew 4, and lost 1. We go back from the question as it was given that you write a 4x4 matrix, a 4x3 matrix. And our answer is in a 4x3 matrix. That is the performance in the second round. Roman 2. Roman 2.
Okay, but this is good. I've heard, was it Halima? Yes, this is good, Halima. It is a good sign that you are pushing on well. So now your next task is to prepare well for tomorrow. And if at all you want, you can as well even have it come in your uniform, and then we shall have your video on to see what you are doing. Otherwise, thank you so much. I want to thank the teachers who are preparing you. They're doing a great job. Thank you so much, teachers. At least we are ready for tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Is there a person we have not given an opportunity?
No.
No, we have already discussed.
Okay, so let us prepare tomorrow at 10. It will be there tomorrow at 10. Okay. Thank you. Okay, you can now stop the sharing, and we have, so, okay, can I have another person who is going to discuss? Those who are discussing tomorrow in the seminar, have your hand raised. Senior 4. Those discussing, so far we have Samuel, we have the Shaban, okay, Emily Joy, okay, Emily Joy, long time. Okay, Emily Joy, can you go on and share your screen? Okay. Emily Joy, go on and share your screen. Those who want the WhatsApp link and so on, just send me WhatsApp now. Okay, Emily Joy, unmute and you share your screen.
Sure, I'm trying to share,
Okay.
but right now I'm using a phone and I'm planning to use a laptop tomorrow.
Okay, no problem, Emily.
Mr. Kaziwa,
Yes, Samira.
yeah, can you see my screen? I haven't shared my document for tomorrow, but I'll be doing number 73.
Emily Joy, number 73. But tomorrow you're using a laptop.
Yes.
Okay.
Number 73 or 52?
Or 52. Okay. But you have discussed before.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, okay. But for you now, you don't have the challenge. It is okay. So just prepare your work.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, okay. It is fine, Emilia. Okay, any other person who is discussing? Senior 4, I want senior 4. Senior 4, if at all you are discussing tomorrow, raise your hand up. Okay, 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 good. Okay, so meaning the rest you are not discussing. Okay, the seminar will be there tomorrow. Yes, Patience? Patience, do you want to say something?
No, teacher.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. So we shall have our seminar starting at 10. The seminar will start at 10 a.m. Though the rooms will be open at 9. They will be open at around 9:30 to allow everyone to enter and settle in. But you can come in as early as 9:30. Otherwise, I want to thank you so much for your time. Let us prepare and then we meet tomorrow. Those who are going to attend the lessons will start at 2. Thank you so much and have a lovely day, everyone.
Waidi namukobye ampereza sente nva mukubira ampereza sente da that time aye kati namukoba nti the thing is beginning at 12 aye nga talizindika kati nze naera namubipinga kwi ngaye the call is on another line naluka I'm fearing to see what she said.
Guys, have a nice lunch. Have a nice lunch. Bye bye, guys.